The reason why most young people are broke is not because they are lazy, it's because the world has evolved. Your spending habits are the greatest enemy to your future. Fake lifestyle is a very good tool for you to pay for poverty installmentally. Life doesn't reward excuses, effort does. If your background was hard, good. That should be a reason for your drive. That should be a reason for you to want to succeed. Let your story be the fuel for you to crave success and not the chains to hold you down. In our today's world, you walk into a bar or into a restaurant and you see an 18-year-old boy spending 3 million naira on just drinks. Your spending habits are the greatest enemy to your future. You can't say you want to be rich and then you spend like someone that does not have sense. I need a new phone. I need designer bags, designer shoes, designer's clothes. I deserve this. I deserve that. I laugh in Swahili. You deserve this, you deserve that. With how much in your bank account? Fake lifestyle is a very good tool for you to pay for poverty installmentally. Those fake lifestyles, those crazy parties, they're not investments. They're just a very big distraction to your future. Let's take, for instance, there's inflation in Nigeria at the moment. The economy is not favoring most people. But then, once they hear of a party, they want to go there, spray money, do so much just to impress and look rich instead of becoming rich. They're only looking rich. Let me just be clear with you. You can never be rich by pretending to be rich. You won't be rich. For you to be rich, you have to put the effort. Start small. Track your expenses. I know of someone who started hustling on time, but because of lack of plan and lack of budgeting, all that he had went down the drain. If a young adult cannot manage 5,000 naira, even if you give that adult 5 million naira, that adult will not be able to manage the funds. Learn a skill fast. People that are between 18 and 25 say, oh, I'm still very young. I have enough time on my side. You think you have enough time on your side? Wait until you start suffering in your 30s. The reason why most young people are broke is not because they are lazy. It's because the world has evolved. It's because the world is changing every blessed day. So you need to keep up. You need to be updated. Degrees don't fit people anymore. So don't depend on, oh, I went to the university, so I'm supposed to have a job. Things don't work that way now again. In the society, now, people that have skills are the ones that are making so much money. Learn a skill that pays and has a very good value in the society. For example, you can be a videographer, you can be a mobile photographer, you can be a coder, you can be a graphic designer, you can be a fashion designer, you can be a makeup artist, and lots more. Pick one and be a master of it and watch yourself excel in just 6 months maximum. Let your skills speak louder than your CV. And don't forget to always upgrade on your skill. If not, once you lose your value in the society, you just become useless and unimportant to the people that once found you very, very important. I don't have a good phone. I don't have a laptop. I don't have this. Complain. Avoid complaint. Start free. Start messy. Use that your phone. Start with anything. Do anything that can pay for your knowledge. And don't forget to choose your friends wisely, because your cycle will either make you or break you. If you are around lazy people, you are bound to be lazy. Energy is very contagious. Your cycle is either pulling you up or holding you down. You need to decide. Have friends that talk about your growth, about new opportunities, not just to sit down and gossip every time you are gossiping. No moral instincts, no good values. Change that cycle. When you want to work with people that have big dreams, because they'll inspire you. If you work with a fool, you are bound to become one. Stop waiting for somebody to motivate you. Don't do that. You're only wasting your time and your years. Don't wait for somebody to come and hype you. Oh, guy, if you do this thing, you go blow. Oh, guy, do this. You will wait till eternity. Discipline yourself. What is discipline? Discipline is doing what you have to do, even when you don't feel like it. Don't be afraid to start small. Every rich person you see today started from somewhere, and they all started small and messy. If you want your financial freedom in your 30s, make sure you use your 20s to do the grinding, the struggling, and the hustling. You must fight laziness. There are no shortcuts in success. Success is a very expensive tool, and laziness cannot afford it. If you are 25 and you are broke, just by seeing this video, you should be happy that you've seen it now. It means you still have time to go back and re-strategize, because it is not the end of your story. But if you refuse to grow, learn, and plan, that is going to be the beginning of your regrets. For my brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, prayer cannot and will not move away poverty. Oh Lord, I cannot be poor. I cannot be poor. If you do not put the action, you are going to be poor. You fight poverty with action, not with mere words. Build habits that attracts wealth, and not habits that will drain you. Every little step you make, take it very serious. For you to be proud of yourself in the next 5 to 10 years, make sure you put the effort, so you don't keep wishing and assuming what could have if you had tried. The choice is totally yours. If this is your first time watching this video, you're welcome to Solid Finance Podcast. What do we do here? We discuss finance tips and also how to be stable financially. Your mental health matters when making money. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more financial updates and more financial tips.